What is up, everybody? It is your girl Coco and this thing. I'm so corny. Okay, what is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It is your girl Courtney, and so today I decided to share with you all a wash and go product that works well for my hair. So this is basically the product. Okay, this is basically the product right here. This how they do it. Yeah. Okay, and this will be my third time trying out this product. Now, this isn't sponsored, let me just put that out there, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video because I got an assignment at 11:59 p.m. I need to go ahead and do that ASAP. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle, shampoo, and condition my hair, and then I'll be back to show you this. Alright, you guys, I am back. So I went ahead and I washed and conditioned my hair. So let me go ahead and tell you guys the products that I use. So I use the Moisture Miracle Honey and Coconut Oil shampoo, and I also use their conditioner, and these two together is so good. Again, this isn't sponsored, but I went ahead and I did it, y'all, and y'all can see that, yeah, the definition is real. Let me see how the back look. Let me show y'all the back. Let me turn around, show y'all the back, show y'all how it looks so far. But yeah, y'all, like, this product really works well for my hair, for me personally, and like I haven't experienced any flakiness. Like later on when my hair gets old, I do experience flakiness, but like when my hair becomes fully dry, I don't get any flakiness, and I'm not experiencing anything right now because there's literally nothing on my shirt. Usually when I try to attempt to wash and go, like every time I use a product, there's always flakes in my hair. But for this one, it's pretty good. But let me go ahead and do this section. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my part as well, so I'm going to do a side part and let my hair fall this way, but I'm going to go ahead and detangle this out. Okay, now that I have detangled my hair, I'm about to use this leave-in conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner, starting with my ends and then working my way up to my roots. Okay, now that I have applied the leave-in conditioner to my hair, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the Xtreme gel. So I'm going to get a lot because my hair needs it. Okay, I need a lot of this much. I need a lot. And same thing, you're gonna start with the ends and then work your way up to the roots. Y'all see? This is how it looks. It's very shiny, by the way. Like, I like it. I personally like this gel, y'all. Like, I really do recommend this for my 4B, 4C girls. And you know the crazy thing is, y'all, my hair shrink. Yeah, my hair shrink up bad. At first it was like to here, and it just went all the way up to here just now. I'm going to go ahead and finish up with my hair and then show you guys the finished result. Honey, because you can't tell me nothing, okay? Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this product works well for my hair, and I'm trying to put my natural sisters on for real, like my 4B, 4C. I'm 4E. I'm telling y'all. First of all, let me show y'all the back. I am going to air dry it. I am not going to diffuse it because I just don't feel like it. So my hair takes about a good 3 to 5 business days to dry, but when it dries, I'm going to go ahead and show you the actual finished look. So, oh my god, I have a headache. I should not even do that. Alright, you guys, it is the next day, so this is what my hair looks like when it's fully dry. I try to fluff it out as much as I could, but the definition is still there and the shrinkage is still real. But if you experience shrinkage as I do, I highly recommend you guys to do the rubber band method. But again, the definition is still there and there's no flakes, and there's literally none on my shirt when I went ahead and I fluffed it out. But yeah, I'm glad you guys watched this video. Please, please, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and comment below so I can engage with you all. And I love you guys, and God bless you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.